Hi everyone, my name is Dada. As you all know, Mr. AKA Mr. Benson Nothing, Mr. AKA Mr. AKA Mr. 23,000. I'm the owner of King of Shape Barber Shops, and I'm also into used car dealerships. And in the past 2 weeks, I've been hearing a lot of things going on about me. I've been training all over social media, and the reason why I'm doing this video is not to create content, but just to say the side of my story so that everyone can know the truth about.
I said,
You are forgetting me now. How are you?
okay, thank you, and how are you?
I'm not fine in the sense.
What is wrong,
I have left Mama Shile finally. Yeah?
Yeah, I saw your Mama Shile statuses. I wanted to ask you, but I was scared.
No, but you know me, I'm a chilled person. You could have asked. You could have asked.
Yes, I know you.
Millicent, you know everything that was going on, Moose. You saw everything.
Yes, now I know everything and I saw everything.
Mama Shile now is telling lies about me.
Oh.
Telling lies.
What did she say?
She's saying that I'm an abuser, I'm a cheater, that I'm always cheating, I'm always abusing her, I'm always beating her. I'm always beating her at home.
But me now I know everything. Say she was the one who always started fighting with you.
Mama Shile didn't say that now. What she's saying is that me, I'm a monster. That I always cheat on her. Yes. That I always cheat on her. That I'm a monster. Because I left. Because you know, the reason why I left also was because I found out that she has starting to see different men. Yeah?
Okay,
Yes. Also, where we were staying, that I remember also before you left Somerset, when you didn't come back. Then when you left.
Yes, I remember. Yes.
Now she has a boyfriend at work. She doesn't know that I know.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, that is why she was saying, yeah, I'm going to gym.
If it's not gym, she will come back late
Yes.
at night. So a lot has been happening that I know. I know of everything, but I kept quiet. So because I left, because I decided not to talk about it, I left. So now she's going around. Yes, painting me. Telling lies. Writing everywhere. All over social media, TikTok, Facebook, everywhere.
Social media?
Everywhere, Millicent. Facebook, TikTok. She's even doing going on live, doing live, sharing, telling lies, calling me a monster. You see, I always
didn't think who to Mama Shile she was stoop so long to do that.
She's very low. She's very, very low. That is what she's doing. That is exactly what she's doing now. So, because now she know that I also have my own things to say. So she's going out now to quickly talk so that people will believe her, getting followers. So now she's training for followers on social media because she wants likes and so me, I've left her.
Yes. I always saw it on TikTok. WhatsApp statuses. And I wanted to ask you, what is going on?
Me, I left her. I left her.
But it's not safe for her to lie. It's too much.
Because had it been you were not there now, I was going to say maybe there's no evidence. You were there. You saw everything, Moose.
Yes,
you saw everything. You heard a lot. There's nothing you don't know. There is nothing you don't know.
Everything.
That's exactly what I know, that you know everything. I know you know everything. That's why I'm just thinking, I'm here sitting just thinking. But Millicent was with us that time. She was in our house that time.
Yes. Yes, I saw
From Bloemfontein. From Bloemfontein.
Yes.
I remember you were with us from Bloemfontein to when we came here to Somerset.
Yes. I know everything, and I saw everything. That time she had a friend at the hospital. Then not me, but the other friend. I don't know her name, but like if you fight, she was always telling them this and this thing, you know. So yeah, I know everything, you know.
Mama Shili said, I have never done anything for them since I've been with them. Yeah.
She's not fair.
Shile said it's a big lie. Shile said it's a big lie, that is a lie, that's not true. That daddy, I know you were doing a lot for us. But Mama,
doing a lot. I just still remember you buy them those big cars. Even Arike, but Mama Shile is not fair.
Now, do you know that Mama Shile now has brought Lily? You remember her sister?
Yes, I saw Lily on status today. She put, is it just about today?
Lily.
I'm a mommy, this and that.
Yeah. Lily stays there now.
Last time she posted status, said my husband didn't want Lily. Now since I'm single, I took her. It's a loyalty.
Imagine.
She behaves. I didn't finish school, but I behave better than her. Because you can't put everything on your status on social media. That is not good. Then what if tomorrow you be back together?
Nah, no. This week, what she has done, we can never be together again. Nothing will ever make us be together again. She said me now that I've never done anything for them. That all I do is eat her money. Yeah, she said all I do is eat her money. That all I do is... She said all I do is eat her money. She even accused me. She even accused me of always chopping her money, of eating her credit cards.
I was there. I know everything. I was there. Even this other day, I told her, sometimes we don't have to put Esbeta on social media. I still remember I was talking to her. No, you're not supposed to post everything because a lot of people they don't like us, you know. So I don't know, man, it's too much. But to lie, no, it's not good.
Yeah, but that is what she's doing now. She's busy online, telling lies, making me look like a bad person. If she's even saying now that she wants to go and open a protection order for me, so that she wants me, I think maybe she wants to send me to jail. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what I've done to because I choose to leave. Because I choose to leave there. Because I choose to leave there so that I can also gain my own peace. Me, I was the one using high blood medication. And it is me that was using medication. She's not the one using medication, but she says she's the victim. But me, nah, this girl.
That is not good at all. Maybe she wants me back, say, but maybe she think if she lies, you can go back to him, maybe.
Yeah, I heard this before, but that one is not going to work. Me and her, we don't have anything to do together again. Me, I can never be with her again. Never in my life. I can never be with Mama Shile again. Never, ever, ever. I can never be with her again. She has said a lot, though. She has said a lot. She has said a lot of lies. A lot of lies on social media. Yes. Everything is there on social media. It's on Facebook. It's on TikTok. Everything is there. Everyone is reading. The whole world is reading it. That was the reason why I also decided to leave that area, because I don't want to be there anymore. Because she has been disgracing me. Everyone in the whole community knows what is happening in our house. Everyone. She even brought cops. She brought police home to collect her car key from me, and I gave her. She did a lot of things that I've been overlooking. But I just thought about it. I'm like, there's somebody that knows our story. There's somebody that knows us that was there. And I remember it was you. That's why I'm saying, okay, but Millicent is still alive, Mos. Millicent is still alive. Yeah, she knows all of these things. There's somebody that I know that was staying with us then. And you were not even there. You were staying full time. Sometimes you would stay 3 months, you won't go home. So you were seeing everything basically. Yes. Okay. No problem, Millie. Where are you? Are you in Pretoria or where? Okay. No problem. It's fine. It's fine. Me too. I'm at Pretoria. I moved back to Pretoria. Yeah. Okay. No, I'll let you know if I have a job for you. I'll let you know. All right. Sure. Keep well, then. Sure. Bye.